Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and try on the Levi's 501 original fit jeans. So let's go ahead and open up the packet. So in this packet is a pair of Levi's 501 original fit jeans, and this pair is in the dark blue Snoot colour and in the 30-inch waist and 30-inch length size. And let's open up the packet by, of course, tearing open the flap and sliding the pair of Levi's 501 original fit jeans out. Of course, we want to recycle that bag thoughtfully or reuse it thoughtfully, and of course keep it away from children, pets and babies. So giving you a nice clear look of this pair of Levi's 501 original fit jeans in the dark blue Snoot color. Before I start handling it, so just giving you a full view right there. And now let's take a close-up look at this pair of jeans and its details, so you can see the packing tab right there with the Levi's 501 original stretch extensible details, and of course the leather tag right there, or label, with the model as well as the size, having a 30-inch waist and 30-inch length. Of course, the Levi's 501 is available in other colors and sizes as well. So right there are the details. So you can see this dark blue Snoot color. And of course, let's unfold jeans to give you a nice, good look at all its details. So right there, trying to fit as much as I can in frame of the sides of the jeans. So the Levi's 501 original fit jeans are the original blue jeans since 1873, and they have a straight fit as well, and of course the signature button fly or button front. So right there, giving you a look at the front of this pair of Levi's 501 original fit jeans. And of course, there is the product tag as well. So giving you a close-up look right there at the details of this pair of jeans in the dark blue Snoot color. So taking a look at the back now, unfolded, you can see right there all the details and the stitching as well. And close up. And the belt loops as well. So nice, sturdy belt loops, and you can see the contrast stitching with that beige threading. And of course, the rivets as well. You can see that the rivets have a somewhat blue tint to them, kind of like a blue anodized finish. It's right there, giving you those close-up details with that smaller inner pocket, and of course those front pockets, and of course taking a look right at the front there at the main button fly at the waist, and just undoing the front and just peeling open and giving you a nice close-up look at the details of this pair of Levi's 501 original fit jeans, and all that fine stitching right throughout this pair of jeans. So you can see the texture as well, having a nice soft cotton texture, of course this denim. And let's take a look at the details of the material by taking a look at the product label inside. So taking a look at the care instructions, right there, giving you a close-up look. Of course, flipping it over. So it is made of 99% cotton and 1% elastane or elastane. Right there. And of course, the jeans, when it comes to the initial wash, it will shrink down by about 10%. I'm just giving you a look on this side as well, on the inner waistband. So just to give you some perspective right there, the labels right across on the inner right hand side of this pair of jeans. So composition of the material of this denim is 99% cotton and 1% elastane. Okay, so that's the entire inside of the jeans. And of course, taking a look, just a quick glance right there on the inside. And then, of course, towards the leg side, towards the end. Right there, giving you a look as to the stitching and quality of this pair of Levi's 501 original fit jeans. Okay, so once again, this time around, I'm going to spread the jeans out across the tabletop as best I can, try to fit it in frame. Right there, giving you a full view of this pair of jeans. And of course, dragging it across so you can see right down the entire length of this pair of jeans. And of course, more importantly, is the front. And right there, giving you, once again, that full view with the signature button fly. And of course, keeping it front facing the camera this way, perhaps giving you a better perspective of this pair of Levi's 501 jeans in the dark blue color and measuring 30 inch for the waist and 30 inch for the length. Okay, so let's go ahead and try it on, but not before first cutting off the tags. So setting that tag down. And I'm going to pop that tag off. And just making sure we've got all the tags removed from the product. Right there is the pocket tab. Okay, so those are all the tags removed from the garment or jeans, and just giving you one close-up look at the opposite side pocket, which I didn't show you. It's right there, right pocket and left pocket. Now let's go ahead and finally try it on. So I do have a 32-inch waist. However, this pair is in the 30-inch waist and length. So just giving you a look right there of this pair of jeans. And now let's try it on, of course. So 30-inch waist on this pair of jeans fits my 32-inch waist just fine, as you can see right there, with plenty of room to spare. But of course, you must allow up to 10% for initial wash shrinkage. So bear that in mind. And length of this pair of jeans is 30 inches. So they're giving you a good look at this pair of jeans. Worn on my 32-inch waist. So they're giving you a full view. So you can see the straight leg fitment or cut. And of course that button fly as well. So just popping that top button, and you can pretty much tear it open like that. So 4 buttons altogether. And just putting the buttons back on. Right there. So that's the Levi's 501 Original Fit jeans. Thanks for watching and happy wearing!